Today I'm going to follow on from last week's drum lesson, which was a drag rudiment. If you didn't check that out, click above and you can check that out. I'm going to show you how to play a ratamacue rudiment, which uses a drag within it. And I'm going to show you again how to put it in with a beat and practice it that way, as opposed to just constantly playing the rudiment on one pad, although there is nothing wrong with that at all. So first of all, what is the rudiment? It is a single stroke 4 rudiment, which means it's a right, left rudiment with an accent on the very final hit. So it goes right, left. And it's also got a drag right at the beginning of it. So 2 ghost notes right at the beginning. So it goes left in ghost notes and then right, left. Here's a demonstration. So you've got left, right, left. And again, left, right, left. Now it is also done in the opposite sticking as well. So all you've got to do for the opposite sticking is just reverse all those lefts and rights around, in which case it would be right, left, right. And again, right, left, right. So here it is, just a touch sped up, but don't feel like you have to practice this fast either. This sounds awesome played slow within a drum beat. We're just going to do it just on the snare drum first of all. Just get a little used to it first. So let's do the one with the drag that starts with a left, right. So you go. Notice that accent on the end. That is really important with a ratamacue. And let's go the opposite way round. And let's just practice both of them just a little bit. So we'll go left, right, left, and then reverse it around, right, left, right. And just do that a few times. Okay, cool, got that. Now let's just do it with a quarter beat. Keep it as straight and simple as you want. Play with the kick drum a little bit if you want. Play with ghost notes if you know how to do them. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2. And then that's where we're going to do it there. So 4th bar just after the 2nd beat. So it's going to go 4, 2, boom. And here we go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do the sticking the other way around this time. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. And then I'm going to switch it back to the other way around. 4, 2. And then one more time, switching the sticking around again. 4, 2. And there you go. It's as straightforward as that. You can just practice like that, repeat it as many times as you want. Speed it up when you feel ready to. Slow it down even more. Slowing it down is really good practice for any drum rudiment, because it actually gets really hard when it gets to super slow rudiments because of the amount of space between the notes. I'm going to do it just a touch faster, just so you can hear what it sounds like with that drag at the beginning a little bit faster. swap it around. And swap it back around. And swap it back around one more time. And there you go, it's as easy as that. The first one was a little bit sloppy, but you'll get sloppy ones now and then. If you want to learn more about the drums, singing, guitar, head over to the Harmony Amp Music Academy website in the description below. We've got loads of courses on offer. We want to help you. In the meantime, make sure you like this video. Let me know how you got on with the ratamacue rudiment. And make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. In the meantime, I'll see you later and I'll catch you next week.